Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed and completed all the bits of lesson 7. In today's session, children will pick out the hard words from the text as well as will note down the meanings in the classwork. So, all of you open your notebooks, children. Write date and write down lesson name. Lesson 7. Lesson 7. The tale of Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit. First bit, children, hard words. Hard words. In hard words, the first one is underneath. 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 Second hard words, bunnies. 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 Third hard word is lettuce. 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 Fourth hard word is Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor. Fifth hard word is wriggled. 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 Sixth hard word is sneezed. 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 The seventh hard word is Critical. KERTYSCHOO. Critical. Eighth hard word is trembling. 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 Ninth hard word is scratch. 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 And the last 10th hard word is blackcurrant. BLACK. Black. CURRANT. Blackcurrant. Okay. These are the 10 hard words, children. Let us read once again. Let us read all the 10 hard words, children. First one, underneath. Second, bunnies. Third, lettuce. Fourth, Mr. McGregor. Fifth, wriggled. Sixth, sneezed. Seventh one, critical. Eighth, trembling. Ninth, scratch. 10th, blackcurrant. Okay. Now next second bit, children. Meanings. Second bit, meanings. Here the first meaning is sandbank. SENDBANK. Sandbank. And the meaning of sandbank is small hill made of sand. Small hill made of sand. Second meaning, children. Get into mischief. get into mischief. And the meaning of get into mischief is be naughty. Be naughty. N-A-U-G-H-T-Y. Be naughty. Third one, children. Parsley. P-A-R-S-L-E-Y. Parsley. And the meaning of parsley is type of leafy herb. Type of leafy herb. And the fourth meaning is cucumber frame. Cucumber frame. And the meaning of cucumber frame is wooden structure used for growing cucumbers. Wooden structure used for growing cucumbers. Wooden structure used for growing cucumbers. Next, fifth one, children. Gooseberry nut. Fifth one. Gooseberry nut. And the meaning of gooseberry nut is nut used to stop birds from stealing gooseberries. Nut used to stop birds from stealing gooseberries. Next, sixth meaning, children. Sixth one, gave himself up for lost. Gave himself up for lost. Gave himself up for lost. And the meaning of it is thought that he would never be free again. Thought that he would never be free again. Thought that he would never be free again. Seventh word, children, sieve. S-I-E-V-E. Sieve. And the meaning of sieve is tool used for straining solids from liquids. Tool used for straining solids solids from liquids. Next, eighth meaning, children. Intended. Planned, and the meaning of intended is planned. Ninth meaning is hoe, and the meaning of hoe is gardening tool with a long handle. Gardening tool with a long handle. And the last 10th meaning, children. Wood. And the meaning of wood here in this lesson is forest. Okay, these are the 10 meanings, children. Now let us read all the meanings. All of you read along with me. First one, sandbank. Small hill made of sand. Second one, get into mischief. And the meaning is be naughty. Third one, parsley. Meaning is type of leafy herb. Fourth one, cucumber frame. Wooden structure used for growing cucumbers. And the fifth meaning is gooseberry nut. And the meaning of gooseberry nut is nut used to stop birds from stealing gooseberries. Sixth one, gave himself up for lost. And the meaning is thought that he would never be free again. And the seventh word is sieve. Meaning of sieve is tool used for straining solids from liquids. And the eighth word is intended, meaning planned. Ninth one, hoe, gardening tool with a long handle. And the last 10th word is wood, meaning forest. Okay, children. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Now coming to today's homework, learn and write hard words as well as 10 meanings in your classwork. Okay, children? Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.